I have here this 18 pack of the Dermaplane refill blades. It looked like a budget-friendly option for my flawless Dermaplane Glo Sonic razor. The packaging is simple, and it comes with this small cleaning brush. Nice little bonus. But why I like these, the quantity for the price, 18 blades, which is a solid deal. The blade sharpness, when they stay perfectly in the razor, and the blades are sharp, and they gave a clean exfoliation without tugging or going over it 55 times. But I do like also that they have the micro guard design on the sides, which is a little extra layer of safety. Would I buy again? Absolutely. If you're looking for a good way to refill those Dermaplane razors, this is definitely it. I do recommend it.